Yokohama Cruise Port Guide. Easy way to experience real Japan. Picture this. You step off your cruise ship and you're literally standing in Japan's most international city, where East meets West in ways that will surprise you. Most cruise passengers rush straight to Tokyo and miss what could be the most authentic, accessible, and affordable Japanese experience of their entire trip. I'm here with travel day trip ideas, and today I'm showing you why Yokohama deserves way more than just a quick photo stop on your way to the capital. You'll discover the perfect blend of traditional Japan and modern innovation, all within walking distance of your ship. Here's what makes Yokohama absolutely perfect for cruise travelers: convenience like nowhere else in Japan. Your ship docks at Osanbashi Pier, and within minutes you're exploring one of Asia's largest Chinatowns, sipping coffee in historic districts where foreigners first set foot in Japan, and experiencing authentic Japanese culture without the overwhelming crowds of Tokyo. But here's what most people don't realize. Yokohama isn't just Tokyo's little sister. This is where Japan first opened to the world in 1859, where ramen was born, and where you can experience everything from traditional gardens to futuristic architecture, all in a single day. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make the most of your port time, the top 5 experiences you absolutely cannot miss, and the insider tips that'll save you money while giving you memories that last a lifetime. Let me paint you a picture of what makes Yokohama so special. This isn't just another Japanese port city. It's the birthplace of modern Japan's relationship with the world. Back in 1859, when Japan ended over 200 years of isolation, Yokohama was chosen as one of the first ports to welcome foreign ships and traders. What started as a small fishing village quickly became Japan's window to the world, and that international spirit still pulses through every street today. With 3.7 million residents, Yokohama is technically Japan's largest city by population. But here's the beautiful thing: it doesn't feel overwhelming like Tokyo can. The pace is more relaxed, the people are friendlier to visitors, and everything feels more manageable. The city perfectly balances its historic international heritage with cutting-edge modern attractions. You'll find century-old foreign districts next to futuristic shopping complexes, traditional ramen shops beside craft breweries, and peaceful Japanese gardens just steps from bustling Chinatown. You'll dock at the Osanbashi Pier, and this might be the most convenient cruise port in all of Asia. The terminal itself is an architectural marvel, this sweeping, wave-like structure that looks like something from the future. But more importantly, you're literally in the heart of the city. Walk 5 minutes in any direction, and you're surrounded by attractions. The famous red brick warehouses are right there. Yamashita Park stretches along the waterfront, and Chinatown is a 10-minute walk maximum. The terminal has everything you need: free Wi-Fi, currency exchange, and tourist information in multiple languages. But honestly, you won't want to linger. The city is calling, and it's so accessible you'll be exploring within minutes of disembarking. Number 1. Yokohama Chinatown. This isn't just any Chinatown, it's the largest in Japan and one of the largest in the world. Picture yourself walking through colorful gates adorned with dragons, the air filled with the aroma of steaming dumplings and sizzling noodles. Don't miss the famous pork buns. They're massive, juicy, and cost a fraction of what you'd pay for similar quality anywhere else. The soup dumplings are legendary, and this neighborhood has been perfecting these recipes for over 160 years. Pro tip: arrive early if you can. The crowds build up as the day goes on, but early morning gives you that authentic local experience. Number 2. Minato Mirai, 21. This is Yokohama's futuristic face, and it's absolutely stunning. Minato Mirai means future harbor, and this incredible waterfront district showcases Japan's vision of tomorrow. The landmark tower was Japan's tallest building for over 20 years. The observation deck gives you panoramic views of the entire Tokyo Bay area, and on clear days, you can see Mount Fuji. The Cosmo World amusement park has this massive Ferris wheel that doubles as the world's largest clock. And here's something most tourists miss: the Cup Noodles Museum. This place tells the fascinating story of how instant ramen was invented right here in Yokohama. You can even design your own cup noodles. It's surprisingly fun and makes a great souvenir. Number 3. Sankeien Garden. If you want to experience traditional Japan at its most serene and beautiful, Sankeien Garden is absolutely essential. This is one of the most stunning Japanese gardens in the entire Tokyo area, and it's a hidden gem that most cruise passengers never discover. Created by a silk merchant in the early 1900s, this garden is like stepping into a living postcard. You'll find traditional tea houses, ancient pagodas moved here from Kyoto, and seasonal flowers that change the entire landscape throughout the year. The central pond reflects the surrounding hills and traditional buildings, creating these picture-perfect moments that capture the essence of Japan. What I love most is how peaceful it feels, even when there are other visitors. Number 4. Historic Yamate District. This hillside neighborhood tells the fascinating story of Yokohama's international heritage. When Japan opened to foreign trade, wealthy Western merchants built elaborate Victorian mansions on these hills overlooking the harbor. Many of these beautiful homes have been preserved and turned into museums, giving you a unique glimpse into how foreigners lived in early modern Japan. The tree-lined streets, historic churches, and views over the harbor are spectacular. Don't miss the various Western-style houses that are open to the public. Each one shows different aspects of foreign life in Meiji-era Japan. Number 5. Ramen Museum. This isn't just about noodles. It's about how a simple Chinese dish became a Japanese cultural phenomenon. The museum recreates 1950s Tokyo streets, complete with vintage storefronts and period details. The best part? You can actually taste ramen from different regions of Japan, all in one place. They serve mini portions so you can try multiple styles and discover your favorite. It's educational, delicious, and uniquely Japanese all at once. The beautiful thing about Yokohama is that most major attractions are walkable from the port. You can see Chinatown, the red brick warehouses, and Yamashita Park all on foot without breaking a sweat. For attractions that are further out, like Sankeien Garden or the Ramen Museum, the local bus system is efficient and affordable, about 200 yen per ride. Taxis are clean, safe, and drivers are incredibly polite. If you're planning to visit multiple attractions, consider getting a day pass for public transport. It's usually around 600 yen and covers buses and some train lines within the city. Japan is still very much a cash society, so make sure you have yen on hand. There are ATMs at the cruise terminal and throughout the city. Don't worry about the language barrier. Yokohama has been welcoming international visitors for over 160 years. So many signs are in English, and locals in tourist areas often speak basic English. Don't tip. It's not part of Japanese culture and can actually be confusing. The service is exceptional without tipping. A simple "arigato gozaimasu" goes a long way. Yokohama's food scene reflects the city's international heritage in the most delicious ways possible. In Chinatown, you absolutely must try the xiaolongbao, those soup dumplings that burst with flavor when you bite into them. Yokohama is where ramen was first introduced to Japan, so you're eating it at the source. Try the local ieki ramen. It's a Yokohama specialty, with thick noodles in a rich, creamy broth that's different from anywhere else. Being a port city, Yokohama gets incredibly fresh seafood, and the sushi here rivals anything you'll find in Tokyo at a fraction of the price. The red brick warehouses have unique boutiques selling everything from handcrafted jewelry to vintage Japanese items you won't find in typical tourist shops. Chinatown is great for traditional Chinese goods, teas, and spices at reasonable prices. For electronics and modern Japanese goods, the shopping centers in Minato Mirai have everything you could want, often with tax-free shopping for tourists. Yokohama gives you the best of both worlds, the efficiency and cleanliness that Japan is famous for, combined with an international atmosphere that makes it incredibly welcoming to visitors. You get authentic Japanese experiences without the overwhelming crowds and complexity of Tokyo. The food is exceptional. The attractions are world-class, the people are friendly, and everything is designed with visitors in mind. Plus, the value for money is outstanding. You'll spend less here than in Tokyo, while having experiences that are just as memorable. Most importantly, Yokohama feels authentic. This isn't a place that's been created for tourists. It's a living, breathing city where real people live and work, and they're genuinely happy to share their home with visitors. Yokohama proves that sometimes the best travel experiences come from the places you didn't expect to love. This city offers everything that makes Japan special. Incredible food, fascinating history, beautiful gardens, cutting-edge technology, and genuinely warm hospitality, all in a package that's perfectly sized for a cruise port visit. Whether you spend your day wandering through the largest Chinatown in Japan, marveling at futuristic architecture in Minato Mirai, finding peace in traditional gardens, or simply enjoying some of the best ramen on the planet, Yokohama delivers experiences that feel both authentically Japanese and refreshingly international. The best part? You can do all of this without the stress and crowds that come with visiting Tokyo. Yokohama gives you Japan at its most accessible and welcoming. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Yokohama. If this guide helped you discover what this incredible city has to offer, hit that like button and subscribe to Travel Day Trip Ideas for more cruise port guides that help you travel smarter and save money. Check the description below for links to our recommended local tours and experiences in Yokohama. These are trusted operators who understand cruise schedules and offer authentic experiences at prices that won't shock your wallet, often half the cost of booking through your cruise ship. What surprised you most about Yokohama? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one and love hearing about your travel discoveries. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next port guide.